Hi, I'm John Schmidt, Vice President of Schmidt Sons Incorporated. Our company was started in 1985 by my dad. One of our good friends actually owned the house moving company that my dad actually bought out back in the day. And they were 4 generations back. And this is back when I was, I think, 8 years old. And Reuben Glazman is actually his name. He had Glazman House Moving. He pulled my dad to the side, and he actually told him back then when I was 8 years old that he's like, I've watched a lot of people around this, and he's like, I can tell you right now that your son is going to be a house mover. Like, he just has the drive, and you could just like see the spark in his eye, like when he's around trying to learn this stuff. And he's actually the one that taught me a lot about house moving. We first got started doing diversion projects, I would say probably in 2016. Our first project site was out of Oxbow, and we removed approximately about 48 houses out of there in that one particular year. And that's where we first started, and then it just turned into a snowball effect. From the time that we've started doing the projects, we've roughly saved about 90% of all the structures off of these sites, which is good because you're not only recycling the structures themselves, you're not filling up the landfills, which is costing taxpayers all kinds of money to rebuild a new landfill once the old one is filled up. And I think it helps the homeowners or the people that are on that piece of property kind of cope with the whole situation that they're going through. They don't like to see their house being smashed by an excavator. It's not good for them. So my experience with flooding goes all the way back to 97. We were a Fargo-based company, and my family home ended up getting flooded out in 97, and we actually ended up relocating to Kindred, and that's where our business is located now. We lost everything. I mean, we lost our house, your photos, clothes, anything that we had, a lot of tools in our shop. I mean, it was just complete disaster. I do think that coming up with a solution for controlling the flooding is really beneficial, just to save the houses in the area and to make sure that people don't have to go through what we had to go through. We're trying our best to help out the process as much as we can by not putting these houses in the landfill and trying to recycle as much as we can to save on that aspect.